Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a clip art for clothes in furniture in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, you can apply the clip art when you craft something. And I'm going to show you how you can create the clip art. First, you need to have this drawing board. You can buy this item from Catching Store. Then you're going to select this brush icon. Then select New Drawing. And for example, I'm going to make a clip art to be applied to the bucket hat. So I'm going to choose the hat and then we're going to click on start painting. Okay, then you can choose the part of the bucket hat, front brim, back brim, and crown. And then I'm going to choose the front brim. I'm going to color it black. Oops. Select the color. Okay, and this is the preview. And then I'm going to apply sticker or pattern. I'm going to choose the star sticker. And for the sticker, I'm going to color it white. Okay, like this. And let's see the preview. I need one more. Okay, just like this, guys. Okay, and once you're done with the clip art, you can click on save. And it's already saved. Then we can apply the clip art when we craft something on the workbench. And I'm going to select this icon. I'm going to sew the bucket hat and click on start sewing, and we can apply this clip art. Click on confirm. Okay guys, and that's how you can create a clip art in Heartopia game. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!